Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 chemistry series. Organic chemistry questions for you. Here you have 6-member and 5-member system, both connected through single bond. 5-member ring contain bromine, 6-member ring contain methyl and alkene. You should find IUPAC name of it. To find the IUPAC name, you should know the priority. Here major confusion will be which one will get higher priority, 6-member ring or 5-member ring. Definitely 6-member ring will get higher priority. Then the numbering comes. Where the numbering will come, alkene will have highest priority. So numbering start from alkene, end with methyl. So you have 1 alkene and 6 methyl. Third position you have cyclopentane. In that cyclopentane you have 2 bromo position. So considering all these factors, the name will be 3,2-bromo cyclopentyl 6-methyl cyclohexonene. The concept you have to learn here is 6-member will get higher priority than 5-member ring. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.